Hi, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to episode 5 of ABC Guitar Workshop. This is my official entry to the Great Guitar Build of 2020 Unofficial Challenge. It's Saturday night and the submission deadline is in a couple of hours, so let's get into it. All the woodwork is finished, the lacquer has dried, the electronics are connected and loaded into the pickguard. So now I will proceed to assemble it and do the setup. And while I do that, I will talk a little bit more about this project. This guitar is an original design based on the work of the great innovators of the past century that we all know and love. But in short words, it is a bolt-on neck, solid body electric guitar with a fabric top. And it is the type of guitar that some people would call a super strat. Since it includes many of the features of a Stratocaster, but combining single coils and humbuckers, as well as other modifications on the electronics to achieve a more versatile instrument. Eddie Van Halen is considered to be one of the fathers of the Super Strat, and just like some people on YouTube like Philip McKnight are dedicating their guitars to Eddie, I would like to do the same. The shape of the body is mainly inspired on the Fender Mustang with some differences, but the pickguard holds different components. In this case, it has two humbuckers, one single coil pickup, a three-way switch, a kill switch, one master volume, one master tone, and one blending pot. It is known that Jimi Hendrix would wire his Stratocaster with a three-way switch and a middle pickup controlled by an independent knob. In the case of my guitar, the Jackson humbucker in the middle position has an independent blending knob that, combined with the three-way switch, the master volume and the master tone, results in an infinite amount of possibilities in terms of sounds and tones. And there it is, my guitar is fully assembled. I promise that I will upload pictures and videos with proper lighting as well as a proper sound check very soon. There is just one final step to finish this project, and that is to test if this guitar rocks. So I connected it to my Marshall and now I'm gonna check it out. So that's part 5 and the final video of my project for the Great Guitar Build of 2020 Unofficial Challenge. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment and to like it. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. There you can find the previous videos where I show how I built this guitar from beginning to end. And that's it. This is my entry. It has been a very intense month. I started the project on September 17th and tonight is October 17th. But I'm done and I couldn't be happier with the results. I have learned so much about making guitars in the past month, and I have also met a lot of really nice people. There are over 100 unofficial challengers, so I wish you all very good luck, and I'm looking forward to see what you do, and I'm looking forward to see you on the Great Guitar Build of next year. I am already thinking about my project. I want to thank Crimson Guitars once again, and please subscribe to my channel. There is a lot of cool guitar stuff coming up. I will also show more about my Detmolder guitar and about the upcoming Detmolder series. So thank you for watching my video and for joining during this process. See you next time.